Formula One is full of speculation about who will be Lewis Hamilton's successor at Mercedes from 2025, but Will Buxton, one of the most respected reporters in the category, brought a surprising novelty. According to him, Toto Wolff would have already decided who will take Hamilton's place, and that name is Andrea Kimi Antonelli. The choice of Antonelli, currently competing in Formula 2, is a surprise to many, especially considering the presence of other candidates such as Carlos Sainz. However, Buxton argues that Wolff's decision is deeply rooted in a lesson learned from the past, especially from Max Verstappen. In a recent episode of the Red Flags podcast, Buxton shared insights into Wolff's mindset, highlighting his determination not to make the same mistakes of the past. He suggests that the missed opportunity to give Verstappen a chance in 2014 still echoes in the mind of the Mercedes boss, influencing his choice in favor of Antonelli. Despite Antonelli's apparent youth and inexperience, Buxton highlights Wolff's desire to quickly integrate him into the team, allowing him to gain experience and prepare for future challenges. With the 2025 season being seen as a transitional period for Mercedes, Antonelli's arrival could be a strategic move to prepare for the 2026 regulatory changes. Faced with this revelation, several questions arise about how Antonelli will fare in such a competitive environment as Formula One and how he will be received by fans and the team. Wolff's choice will certainly provoke heated debates and raise questions about the future of Mercedes in the category. And you, what do you think about the choice of Andrea Kimi Antonelli as Lewis Hamilton's replacement in the Mercedes? Do you believe he is ready for the challenge? Share your opinion in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exclusive Formula One updates and reviews.